Ukraine is, for many of you, a new subject, and even for those of you who it's not a new subject, it's unlikely that you've actually had a class that was just about Ukrainian history. Did anybody check how many classes in Ukrainian history there are?
I couldn't find any.
Okay, so I'm holding it one lecture class in the United States of America on modern Ukraine, which is an extraordinary thing, right? If you think about it, it raises the question of what has gone wrong with us in general. Right? No, it's why is it that what we do is so mismatched with the world around us, right? Don't you feel ill-served? If you're going to okay, not everybody at Yale's in this class, but isn't it odd to think that if you were at any other university in the United States, you wouldn't even be able to take a class in Ukraine, even though, right? And that raises the larger question of why is it in the 21st century, where we supposedly have access to all this data all the time and we all know everything instantly, why are we always surprised by things?